folks, we are in Beecher, Wisconsin on Old 38 Road, and folks, we've got a Northbounder 1221 and ELS 502 taking a northbound trip. I've never filmed with this crossing, but my mom has, so you know what? Might as well take another one of these crossings off our list. So because we got word from our group about this engine, so we thought, well, might as well get some train today. Because unfortunately, folks, this train was in Pembine for the last 2 days when it was facing south. Missed the morning southbounder, but we meet up with it in the afternoon with a northbounder. And folks, you guys have been waiting to hear 1221's horn, so I kind of had an extra reason to get down here and film this one, because we've never heard the horn of ELS 1221. We've seen it in Iron Mountain leading, but we've never seen it leading and the horn activating because, well, Iron Mountain's no horn zone. So, oh, that's cool, folks. I just see on the crossing here, there's some old Milwaukee Road signage. I'll have to get a pic of that and put it into the video. That's pretty cool. But I think I'm the only one who's filming this one. I don't think you know who's following me this time, but got word from our group about this one. I was like, you know what? This is a worthy enough reason to get out of the house. Here it comes, folks. Doors open. That's why they have a guy actually working on the engine. Holy cow, it's still going! Hey, go on, color! Haha, third one right north. Awesome. Alright. Holy cow, it's not done yet. Wow! Where's the end of this thing? There she is! Holy cow! Let's get a good one! How about that, folks? Stay tuned, might get. Let me go. Alright, folks, we are at the US 8 highway crossing here in Pembine, Wisconsin. You decided, you know what? You guys like to try this train. How about we get a second crossing? Give you guys a little Beecher Pembine action. I am not gonna stand the highway violate, folks, for this one. I've seen people. I've done it once. I will not see them right by the side of a highway. Let these guys through. I'm gonna let the traffic. so now I can zoom in to the shot. Right there, folks, you'll see the train. Here in a moment, we'll see it coming from right there. But yeah, folks, thanks to our group for the message about this one. We get to see 1221 and the horn activating. Looks like I'm the only one so far taking care of Beecher and Pembine. I'll take that this time. Stay tuned, folks. We'll just wait here and we'll get a little extra for you. But yeah, I love this crossing, and I've done this one in the winter even, and I like it. I've done it both directions, and yeah, by the way, folks, there's the box, and there's how you can tell if it's. There's the quartz. No, when it comes through. See right there's the quartz for activating when it triggers off, and this crossing normally triggers off a little earlier. Alright, folks, hold on for a minute. We'll see when it comes back. Alright, folks, it should be coming around the corner pretty shortly. Just heard it over at the crossing just north of this one, which is, what is it, Rifle Range Road, I think it is. Let me zoom in for the shot here, folks. I think that looks pretty good. Let's just zoom in a little. Here she comes, folks. You're gonna see it right about now. There it is. There she is. Alright, anybody gonna run this train, I wonder? Crossings activate now, and I'm gonna get my ears covered. Got a wave. That's just timing. Okay, there's the guy that was taking care of the engine. I think you see the nap. Enjoy your nap, buddy. Got the grain car. Man, good timing today, folks. Perfected. Ugh, geez, sorry. There's a lot of twigs around here. They say it's starting to slow down a little bit, which suspects me I may stop in Pembine. I'm gonna just stick out of that. I don't feel like doing such a Pembine. It is hot today, folks. In the mid to upper 80s, pretty much today. I'm not feeling. Our car is kind of getting AC problems, so I don't feel like making my poor mom, who's with me right now, making her way in that car with no AC. It'd be nice for you, Mom. Oh, look at that, CXX trailer. That's cool. Should see here in one more, folks, if it doesn't end up blocking the whole crossing. I'm a little surprised. I thought they wouldn't stop for this one. Maybe they're gonna stop at where would be over at the log yard and pick up those loaded log cars at Precise Logging. Maybe they're gonna pick up those today. It wouldn't surprise me, but I doubt they're gonna. I thought they weren't gonna stop with how long the train really got the power. I thought they would not want to stop because of how hot it is. Now they're working in hot conditions today, folks. see I make a little call here in just a moment, folks. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my hand. Beautiful shot this is, by the way, folks. You get a view of the trees, you get a view of the cars, you get a good view of everything. Traffic is getting a little blocked up. Oh my god, it's all the way. By the way, folks, I'm looking at the highway over here to see how far it is. By the way, make a color. There we go. Sorry, I had to do it. It's too tempting. Yeah, highway's getting a little blocked up. It's all the way to the stop sign on my to my right over here. Well, don't worry, folks. It'll be pretty soon get unblocked. Now they're speeding up a little bit, so maybe they're not gonna stop today. It would surprise me if they stop, honestly, with how big of a train they're gonna take. And it could block the. Oh my gosh! It is on. People are turning on. They're stopping on the highway for this train, folks. Don't worry, folks. The train's almost done. Oh my god! I never thought I'd seen this. Legitimately, it's all the way on the highway. People are wanting to turn on the USA. Oh my gosh! I have never seen that. Normally this crossing ain't as... Normally the road ain't blocked this bad. People are gonna rejoice in a minute. They're almost passed by. Last view of the cars coming through. And oh my god, don't stop. Oh my god. Oh no! They've stopped on the highway crossing, folks. Legitimately, I will show you. It is legitimately, there's one car that is... Jeez! Oh my god, I almost had a heart attack there. I almost had a heart attack from that one, folks. That scared the jeepers out of me. Oh, good. People rejoice. The crossing is now no longer blocked. There you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.